Hi, welcome to Nippy Foods. Today we're gonna show you easy and delicious cookie recipe. It's Gnanakatha. Try this at home and share with your loved ones. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like, comment and share the videos. So let's get started. What you'll need: flour, sugar, butter, egg, vanilla and baking powder. Creaming the butter and sugar is the first step. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Next, add the egg and vanilla. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour and baking powder. Gradually add the dry flour mixture to wet butter mixture. Mix until just combine and make a dough. You don't want to overwork the dough. Roll the dough into balls. You will get about 8 to 10 balls. Gently press the ball. Keep the shape. Don't flat the ball too much. Brush the tops of the cookies with a little bit of water. This will help the sugar stick. Dip the tops of the cookies in sugar. Bake 20 to 25 minutes in preheated oven. Allow them to cool. Cookies ready. Time for a bite. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.